with the button systems.
Videos. I think if I use my W on myself, it'll heal me and then bounce to the enemy.
Sorry, I don't call this. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. I'm gonna be doing a what I eat in a week. You can maybe hear my eggs cooking. So yeah, I will be showing you guys everything that I eat. It is Thursday today, so you will also be seeing what I eat on the weekends, because it is definitely a bit different because I'm with my boyfriend, and whenever I'm with him, my eating schedule is a little bit chaotic, but that's okay, you know, it's just 2 days of the week, so that's fine. I'm first making breakfast, so let's go. So I cooked 2 eggs and now I'm just gonna mash them and mix them with some mayo. I didn't cook the egg yolk enough, so now it's a little bit more watery than I would like, but it's fine, we'll survive. Okay, this will be my breakfast. I'm having some apples with toast, eggs, mayo, and oregano. Very simple, very easy, and also very tasty. I also need to find something to watch. Okay guys, hi. The last time you saw me, I had breakfast. After that, I came to my boyfriend's place and I went on a little grocery shopping spree. Nothing crazy though, just like a couple of things that we're missing. I got the bananas, lettuce. Is that a lettuce? Yeah. We got milk, and this is like non-lactose milk. It basically doesn't have lactose in it. I've never tried lactose-free milk, so I'm very like interested. Does it like taste the same? You know, so that's why I got that. Ciabatta or bread. I also got some snacks like oat cookies, something like that. These are pretzels. Never tried this. These are like coated peanut butter. Coated peanuts. They're coated with cheese. Yeah, I don't know what it tastes like, but I bought it so that we can try it. And now I'm gonna put everything away. Right now, the only thing left to do is to make myself a little coffee. Yeah, we're gonna make my iced latte. Well, I don't know, we'll see. Then we get the ice. We can also use that. Okay. Smells like milk. Looks like milk. It is so good. I think I should have put a little less sugar. This is not too sweet, but you know, for my taste, I like it almost bitter. See you guys for lunch. Okay, I completely forgot to show you guys, but I had this like protein bar. It has 23 grams of protein, and I'm gonna have a lunch in maybe like 2 or 3 hours. I really want to try the peanut snack that I bought, so let's try it together. I'm very excited about this. It smells like peanuts. Okay, the first initial taste is like any cheese snack that there is, like, you know, the strong, like, but it's very like it passes very quickly, and then it's just peanuts. It's really good. I like it.
Christian had, ironically, they also had were the buddy systems. There is no, not really.
So my parents invited us for lunch. They were making barbecue and we didn't have breakfast this morning. We just went straight there. We also slept in, so we woke up at 1 p.m. anyways. So yeah, there was some soup first, of course, and then later we ate barbecue with a bunch of salads like you can see right now on the screen. And yeah, this was such a good lunch. My family loves making food for us, so they always invite us over to eat, whether it's lunch or dinner, and of course, they pack stuff for us as well. Also, it was my grandma's birthday like a week ago, so she made some cake. It was such a nice cake. It was so light and puffy. It was with oranges, some light whipping cream, and just some biscuits, I think. So, yeah. And that was all that I ate that day. Guys, good morning. For today's breakfast, I am having these muffins. They're like egg muffins with spinach and some other vegetables, and also I'm having a banana. Usually, I would have a bigger breakfast. Yesterday my stomach was kind of hurting, and then I was like, okay, today let's go a bit easier with the food. I know my hair is a bit different, but I got a haircut and a retouch on my roots, and wow, yeah, it's nice. I like it. Anyways, this is my lunch/dinner. I didn't really get to eat today a lot because I was all over the place. It is currently 6 p.m. so yeah, it's basically my dinner. These are like, you know how ravioli are filled with meat and stuff inside? Well, this is the same, but the dough is made with spinach, and also inside there's meat and cheese, and this sauce is also like a cheesy kind of sauce. Good morning, guys. I have to study a lot today, so my breakfast is kind of sad looking. I don't know how to show you. Wait. It's oatmeal, but it's made with like a smoothie. So the smoothie has bananas, like frozen berries, strawberry, blueberry, raspberry.
A few moments later.
I am back home from the school. I'm gonna eat lunch. Today for lunch we have some soup. This is some goulash. If you don't know, it's like it's meat mixed with vegetables and just seasoned with a bunch of seasonings. And I have that with this pasta and just some veggies.
Videos. I think if I use my W on myself, it'll heal me and then bounce to the enemy and do a little bit more. We'll see. But you know, good thing we took off. I didn't even hit the bubble, which is like...
Okay guys, hi, it is lunchtime right now, 3:21 p.m. And I am going to have a gyro. I just bought it on my way home from the college. I first need to take my, whatever this is, it's like vitamins that I take before a meal. Oh my god, they wrapped it crazy. Oh my god, what the hell? Where is my... Okay. So excited, I'm going for this. Oh!
It's gotta be a little careful for Rengar. Wow, she just took my can. We'll make it up with a bind here. Boom.
That is
I'll take
so
a kill
good.
over a cannon. And see, that... I think that Misfortune was practically full health too. That's...
This gyro has chicken and pork, both. And then it has, okay, fries of course. But then I put tzatziki, tomatoes, ketchup, and mustard. So good, oh my god.
I didn't think she was actually going to get 100 to 0 off that combo. That was great. And we don't have enough for a chapter, but we can get a...